Hi, my name is Nur.mysarahh binti Agus Salim and my ID matrix is 2022459722.
My name is nur.mysarahh binti Masri. My ID matrix is 2022488682.
Hi, my name is Shafina binti Annuity. My ID matrix is 2022841068.
Question 1. Mr. Zack has a business plan. He needs a financing consultant to assist him in finding suitable capital to expand his business. Accordingly, the business should have at least 5 years to maintain. Assist him to decide which plan will be the better plan for his business. After 10 years of business, he intended to settle his loan since he made a big profit. What will be the amount paid to settle the outstanding loan? So, we need to decide which plan will be the better plan for Mr. Zack's business to maintain at least 5 years. First, we need to extract all the information given and use the correct formula. There are two formulas. First, A equal R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I negative power of n divided by I, and the second is I equal n multiply R minus A. 80,000 is the amount of loan, which means it is present value of annuity at the end of an interest periods. Then R is periodic payments, which is monthly payment. K is the interest rate, 6.7% for plan A and 5.6% for plan B. M is the interest period, which is 12, and T is term of investment, 15 years for plan A and 20 years for plan B. And remember, term of investment must in year. Then, put the information in the formula and solve it. Make sure the information in the bracket is complete first. Then, 80,000 is divided by the answer. We need to do the same thing to find the amount of interest on both plans. Put the information into the formula and solve it. After you get the final answer, plan A is very suitable because it has a low interest and it will be a suitable capital for his business. Next, we need to find amount paid to settle the outstanding loan. So, we still use the same formula because we want to find the total amount loan after 10 years. So, the solution is to subtract the term of investment by 10 years. For plan A, 15 years minus 10 years equal to 5 years. And then for plan B, 20 years minus 10 years equal to 10 years. So, 5 years and 10 years will be a new term of investment. The new N is 12 multiply 5 equal to 60 for plan A, and 12 multiply 10 equal to 120 for plan B. Put the information into the formula and solve it. The final answer is 35895.79 for plan A and 50892.27 for plan B.
Question 2. The hardware crew intends to purchase 100 laptops from the manufacturer to start his business. They receive an invoice from Desktop Magic and Rapid Computing and need to choose which company gives a better price. The details of the invoice are as follows. In order to make a decision, assist the hardware crew to understand the meaning of trade discount and cash discount. Then, help them to choose a manufacturer who gives a better price if the payment is made on 25th January 2023. Hence, describe the benefits of trade discounts and cash discounts to the supplier. First of all, let's say that we divide the question into 3 parts, A, B, and C. A. The meaning of trade discounts and cash discounts. B. A manufacturer who gave a better price. And C. What is the benefit of trade discounts and cash discounts to the supplier? So now, let's answer what is the meaning of trade discounts and cash discounts. The meaning of trade discounts is the reduction in price that a supplier applies to a product's cost when selling to a reseller. Meanwhile, the meaning of cash discount is a discount that sellers offer to incentive customers to pay bills prior to due date. So let's find the manufacturer who gave a better price. So, the formula for net price is equal to list price multiply 1 minus D1 multiply 1 minus D2. Substitute into the formula. For the laptop from Desktop Magic, for the net price is 3,192 ringgit, and the net price for the laptop from Rapid Computing is 3,116 ringgit 27 cents. Okay, next. Since the hardware crew made the payment on 25th January, so they get 7% cash discount from Desktop Magic and 5% from Rapid Computing. Let us continue and find the answer for the net payment. The net payment for the Desktop Magic is 3,192 ringgit multiply 1 minus 0.07, and the answer is 2,968 ringgit 56 cents. Meanwhile, for the Rapid Computing is 3,116 ringgit 27 cents multiply 1 minus 0.05. So the net payment for the laptop from Rapid Computing is 2,960 ringgit and 46 cents. And finally, the total payment is net payment plus additional charge. In this case, the additional charge is transportation cost, which is 200 for both laptops. The final answer for the laptop from Desktop Magic is 3,168 ringgit 56 cents. Meanwhile, for Rapid Computing is 3,160 and 46 cents. And now we know that Rapid Computing offers a better price for hardware crew to start his business.
Other alternative you can use is total payment equals to list price times 1 minus D1 times 1 minus D2 times 1 minus C plus additional charge payment. And then you put the information from the text into this formula, and then you'll get, for the Desktop Magic, you get 3,168 ringgit 56 cents, and for the Rapid Computing, you get 3,160 ringgit 46 cents. D equals to trade discount and C for the cash discount. Last but not least, the benefits of trade discount and cash discount. For the increased sales, a trade discount is an excellent way to attract a customer's attention by offering more for less. Promotional sales, coupons, volume purchases, and other strategies can attract new customers and motivate them to buy your products, creating the impression that they are getting the most out of their money. Offering a lower price or a reduced price for multiple purchases will make the customers want to purchase more to take advantage of the deal from the company. For the lower business costs, trade discounts, especially for smaller business, can lower operational business costs. Many smaller companies will spend the majority of their capital on things like economic resources, production equipment, inventories, and ordering costs. Suppliers and vendors often offer these types of business trade discounts, and finding suppliers willing to offer this can save a company large amounts of capital on business expenditure. And then, the benefit of cash discount. First, keep profit margins consistent. It's also important for a business to be able to maintain consistent margins so they can accurately budget and make financial decisions for the future. If you don't have a cash Second, simplifies the payment process. Cash discount programs ultimately make the payment process more simplistic for all parties involved. When customers are encouraged to pay with cash, you'll significantly reduce the risk of chargebacks, pricing disputes, data breaches, fraud, and other complications.